Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you this Splendor Pro meter assembly, and it is a completely genuine spare made up of Hero company. Here let us have a price. Its price is 1250 rupees, and part number, model number all are available on the label. Let's have a look inside this box. A good steel beading on the outer surface. Here backside a socket to S for lighting, indicating, and there is a meter pinion cable to which it is fixed to show the speed, and 3 bolts joints are available to fix it on the holder. It has a good look, showing speed in one side and fuel unit